Hello everyone, welcome to Binary Broom. This is the introduction video for Python playlist. The reason that I chose to start with Python is that it is almost everywhere. It is used in almost everything. It is in web applications, it is in AI, in data analysis, data cleaning, and so on and so forth. So it is also very simple, so it is easy to learn, it is easy to use, so that you can start very quickly. The topics that we are going to cover are a lot, so I won't be able to name them right here, all of them, and it may get even more. So just to name some of those topics, I can say we are going to start with variables, what variables are, data types, typecasting, what is a string, what is an integer, how we can convert them to each other data types, lists, tuples, dictionaries, and other ones. Also, we are going to know about if-else statements, for loops, while loops, how to write functions, what is a scope, how we must be aware of the variables and their scope. And yeah, there are, as I said, a lot of topics like classes, how to write classes, methods, attributes, what is a public or private attribute, how to read and write in files. Yeah, and also after all of these things, we may get to start to introduce some tools and some libraries in Python and go on and use them in some use cases. And yeah, that's it. The next video will be out soon about variables. And yeah, we will start with some simple stuff. I may add some practices in them as well, so that you can practice as long as you're following the course. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, to follow the course, and to be aware that the videos are out.